So one of the first things that you're going to want to do is to say things like I am, I have, I need, I want, I feel like, things like that. So I'm just going to go over a few of these phrases today to help you get started expressing yourself in Italian. So the first one is I am. So in Italian, you don't necessarily need the I at the beginning of a phrase like that. You can generally remove it altogether, but if you're just learning, if you're just starting out, or if you want to use it for emphasis, by all means go ahead and leave it in. So if you want to say I am American, for instance, you would say I sono, am americano if you're a man, or americana if you're a woman. Okay, so io sono, I am, americano, americana. If you're Canadian, you'd say canadese, australiano if you're Australian. If you want to say I am happy, you can say io sono felice, or if you're sad, you could say io sono triste, I'm sad. I am relaxed, io sono rilassata if you're a girl, or io sono rilassato if you're a man. Okay, the next one is I have. Okay, so I have, you'd say io ho. So io ho, it's actually spelled with an H, so it'd be io and then H-O, oh, but the O is, the H is silent. So io ho, I have, and then if you say io ho, I have a sandwich, you would say io ho un panino, okay? Io ho un panino, I have a sandwich. If you're hungry, it's much like in Spanish. If you know Spanish, you'd say, I have hunger. So, io ho fame. I have hunger. Io ho fame. If you're thirsty, you'd say, I have thirst. Io ho sete. If you're cold, you'd say, io ho freddo. I am cold. Io ho freddo. If you're hot, io ho caldo. Okay, io ho caldo. And the ending of those don't change if you're a girl. You just leave them with the O because you're saying, I have cold, or I have hot, basically, more or less. Okay, the next one is I need. So, ho bisogno, I have need of. Ho bisogno, io ho bisogno di, and then whatever it is that you need. So, io ho, I have, bisogno, need, di, of, and then whatever you need. So if you need a, let's say a train ticket, you would say io ho bisogno di un biglietto di treno. Io ho bisogno di un biglietto di treno. I have need of a train ticket, or I need a train ticket. If you need a hotel, ho bisogno di un hotel. Ho bisogno di un hotel. The H is silent again. Okay, so if you want to say I would like, okay, io vorrei, I would like. It's a polite way of asking for things. So if you're at a cafe or a restaurant, you can say I would like to see the menu. Io vorrei vedere il menu, per favore. I would like to see the menu, please. If you'd like a glass of wine, io vorrei un bicchiere di vino. I would like a glass of wine. Io vorrei un bicchiere di vino. I would like a glass of wine. And then if you'd like an espresso, io vorrei un caffè. Io vorrei un caffè. Or a cappuccino, un cappuccino. Okay, now I want. Io voglio. Io voglio. I want. Io voglio un pezzo di pizza. I want a piece of pizza. Io voglio un pezzo di pizza. So voglio, I want. If you want a sandwich, io voglio un panino. So the voglio, it's actually spelled V-O-G-L-I-O, so it's that y sound, like in million. So if you see it written out, it's going to look like vaglio, but it's actually pronounced voglio. Okay, io voglio, and then whatever it is that you want. And the last thing is, if you want to say I feel like doing something, you would kind of combine a couple of these phrases. So you're going to say io ho voglia di. I have desire of something. So io, I, ho, have. Voglia is like desire or want. Di, of, qualcosa, something. So if you feel like going to the movies, you may say ho voglia di andare al cinema. Io voglio di andare al cinema. I feel like going to the movies. If you feel like not doing anything, okay, you may want to say that. I don't feel like doing anything. You would say, ho voglia di fare niente. Io ho voglia di fare niente. I don't want to do anything. So that's about it. So we've covered I am, io sono. I have, io ho. I need, ho bisogno di. I would like, io vorrei. And I want, io voglio. And I feel like doing something. I have desire to do something. Ho voglia di fare qualcosa, doing something. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope that you learned something. Ciao, grazie.